Welcome back to where we delve into the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated 2026 Honda CMX850 Rebel. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of cruisers, this bike promises to offer something for everyone. So, let's dive into what makes the 2026 Honda CMX850 Rebel a standout in the cruiser segment. The Honda Rebel series has long been synonymous with style, performance, and accessibility. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the 2026 CMX850 Rebel takes everything we love about the Rebel line and elevates it to new heights. With a host of updates and refinements, this bike is set to redefine what we expect from a mid-sized cruiser. At the heart of the 2026 CMX850 Rebel lies a 850 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. This power plant delivers a perfect balance of power and torque, making it ideal for both city commuting and open-road cruising. The engine's smooth delivery ensures a comfortable ride, whether you're navigating tight urban streets or embarking on a weekend getaway. The 850 cubic centimeters engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission, providing seamless shifts and enhancing the overall riding experience. The power delivery is linear, offering ample low-end torque for easy acceleration and confident overtaking maneuvers. Honda has always been known for its attention to detail, and the 2026 CMX850 Rebel is no exception. The bike features a minimalist design that exudes a timeless appeal. The low-slung profile, combined with clean lines and subtle curves, gives the Rebel a distinctive look that stands out in a crowd. The fuel tank has been redesigned for improved ergonomics, offering a more comfortable riding position. The seat is designed to accommodate a wide range of riders, ensuring comfort during long rides. The overall fit and finish of the bike reflect. The 2026 CMX850 Rebel comes equipped with a host of modern technologies aimed at enhancing the rider's experience. A full-color TFT display provides clear and concise information, keeping you informed without distraction. The display is customizable, allowing riders to tailor the information to their preferences. For those who appreciate connectivity, the Rebel offers smartphone integration, enabling riders to access navigation, music, and communication features directly from the bike's display. This seamless integration ensures that you stay connected while keeping your focus on the road. Honda has placed a strong emphasis on rider comfort with the 2026 CMX850 Rebel. The handlebars have been repositioned to provide a more natural and relaxed riding posture. The foot pegs are strategically placed to reduce fatigue during long rides, and the seat has been designed to offer support and comfort for riders of all sizes. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections in the road, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, the Rebel's suspension system works to keep you comfortable and in control. One of the standout features of the 2026 CMX850 Rebel is its handling. The bike's chassis has been designed to offer agile and responsive handling, making it easy to maneuver through tight corners and urban traffic. The low center of gravity contributes to the bike's stability, providing confidence-inspiring handling characteristics. The braking system has been upgraded to offer improved stopping power. The dual-disc front brakes provide strong and consistent braking performance, while the rear brake offers smooth modulation. Combined with the bike's responsive handling, the braking system ensures that you have full control in various riding conditions. Safety is a top priority for Honda, and the 2026 CMX850 Rebel comes equipped with a suite of safety features designed to protect the rider. Anti-lock braking system, ABS, is standard, helping to prevent wheel lockup during emergency braking situations. The bike's low center of gravity enhances stability, reducing the likelihood of tip-overs. Additionally, the Rebel features traction control, which helps maintain rear-wheel traction during acceleration, particularly in slippery conditions. These safety features work together to provide a secure and confident riding experience. Honda understands that every rider has unique preferences, and the 2026 CMX850 Rebel offers a range of customization options to suit individual tastes. From different seat styles to a variety of handlebar options, riders can personalize their bike to reflect their personality and riding style. The bike's modular design allows for easy customization, with a wide range of aftermarket accessories available. Whether you're looking to add luggage options for touring or want to enhance the bike's aesthetics with custom paint and graphics, the Rebel offers the flexibility to make it your own. The 2026 Honda CMX850 Rebel is expected to be competitively priced, offering excellent value for the features and performance it delivers. While exact pricing may vary by region and dealer, the Rebel is positioned to be an attractive option for riders seeking a mid-sized cruiser that doesn't compromise on quality or performance. Availability may vary depending on your location, so it's recommended to check with your local Honda dealerships for the most up-to-date information on availability and pricing. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda CMX850 Rebel is a remarkable addition to the Rebel lineup, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of cruisers, the Rebel caters to a wide range of riders with its versatile design and features. If you're in the market for a mid-sized cruiser that delivers on all fronts, the 2026 CMX850 Rebel should be at the top of your list. Its combination of modern technology, rider-focused design, and Honda's renowned reliability make it a compelling choice for any motorcycle enthusiast. Thank you for joining us in this detailed review of the 2026 Honda CMX850 Rebel. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews and motorcycle news. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride safe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.